Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1295 of 1516 SPX. Last thing in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on April 2nd at 6:26 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current day and time, it's currently Sunday, April 3rd at 12:23 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are broadcasting live on Breakers here. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate if you did. You can register your account there and scroll down and see everything else in a queue here. 1295, and these are boxes 5 and 6 from our case, so we'll have any serial numbers was our break before we open our case, so we'll post SPX break 1291 below for people that haven't been following it. The 8 box that ended tonight is tomorrow at 5:30, so about 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So 4736 and 0669. The box will focus there. And let's go over the shrink wrap. It is sealed. Okay, so here we go, everyone. Yeah, so we'll start at 5:30. Then the break after will be the hit draft, and then we'll finish up with the 6-box mixer, which should be full by then. 4736. We're just sending emails out to fill that up right now. Already over half filled, so be the last break until the expo. Okay, so here we go, everyone. So we started off with a shift change of Dylan Larkin. Dylan Larkin for Detroit. And a dual jersey autograph for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Daniel Sprong. Daniel Sprong. 277, 499 for the Penguins. And a monochromatics for the Florida Panthers of Aaron Ekblad. Aaron Ekblad. Got a name on the front of Mario Lemieux for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And a monochromatics of Ben Bishop for the Tampa Bay Lightning. This one is a Stick Wizards for the Blue Jackets of Ryan Johansson. Going on to Columbus. And a shift change of Victor Arvidsson's. For the Preds. And we got really thin pack here. Yes, it is only 2 cards, so it looks like everything might be in this one. So if we don't get 2 hits in this one, then we'll just submit this stuff to UD here, and it looks like there's 2 hits in this one. So base. So we got a Stick Wizards of Johnny Gaudreau going up to the Calgary Flames. And then, there we go. SPX rookie of Tommy Cross going up to the Boston Bruins. Final pack, box number 1. And a SPX rookie of Andrew Kopp for the Jets. And base. On to this one, 0669. Also, if anybody interested in Flair showcase breaks for Wednesday, we do have them ended on Wednesday night, then we'll do them a few hours after, so check that out. Okay, so we start this one off with a shift change of Sam Bennett. Going on to the Calgary Flames. And not a bad one here for the Winnipeg Jets. We have a dual jersey auto of Connor Hellebuck. Going on to Winnipeg. 222 of 499. Going on to the Jets. And a flashback rookie jersey of Mikko Ratman. Going on to the Avalanche. Mikko Ratman. I don't think we've seen our short print rookie from this inner case yet. Could be wrong though. A Stick Wizards of Sidney Crosby, Penguins. And a flashback rookie jersey of Nick Ritchie. I don't know if that's a ding or not in the window there. So whoever has the Anaheim Ducks, just letting you know that. See, there's something that's tucked in the little bottom left corner there on the R. Or it could be along the border there. Don't want to dissect it too much there. And the next one is a Stick Wizards of Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins. And a SPX rookie of Anton Slepyshev going on to the Oilers. Next one is a shift change of Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. We have a SPX rookie of Joe Edmondson for the Blues. Final break. And a SPX rookies of Linus Olmark going out to the Sabres. So there we have it for a break for tonight, guys. So no multi-team randoms. Last two boxes of SPX are the case tomorrow, and boxes 3 and 4 of Game Used.